An update now on the severe weather warnings which are current for southeastern Australia. Now, our models have updated this morning and they've shifted where we're expecting the heaviest rain to fall slightly towards the east. So that's changed some of the warning areas. Let's take a look. We'll start with the radar. We haven't seen too much rain in South Australia this morning. They'll still get showers in the odd storm over the next few days. Heavy rain has developed through Victoria as predicted. Around Melbourne, we had, even on the outskirts, 20 millimetres in 2 hours this morning. And we've got heavy showers and storms up through the southern inland of New South Wales. And there's a severe weather warning in force for flash flooding for the southern inland of New South Wales and all of Victoria apart from the southwest corner. There's the heaviest rain through today. Notice that band's heading east across Victoria, which means temporarily the rain will clear from western Victoria and perhaps even around Melbourne before it returns again overnight coming down from the north. For northern Victoria and western and southern New South Wales, there is no clearing. Widespread heavy rain and storms continuing right through Friday with that flash flooding very likely. Showers and storms for Tasmania, but easing later on Friday as a trough moves east and showers and storms for South Australia. So let's have a look at these warnings then. A severe weather warning for all districts of Victoria apart from now the southwest district. That area has been taken out of the warning. Still expecting 1 to 200 millimetres for the northeast corner of Victoria from this event through Friday, Saturday. Southern inland of New South Wales, that covers the Riverina, the southwest slopes, Wagga Wagga, Hay, Griffith and also Albury included in the warning area there. And again, we could see over 100 millimetres in these areas over the next couple of days. It could be up to 2 or 3 times the monthly average. The event peaks on Saturday as that low deepens further through northern and eastern Victoria and southern New South Wales until finally it pushes away on Sunday. The rain will ease, it won't completely clear. Although a band of heavy showers, severe storms with flash flooding heading towards the Queensland coast. That'll be happening later on Sunday and then lingering early next week. This is how much rain we expect altogether. Still 1 to 200 millimetres, the darker shading, southern New South Wales, northeast Victoria. Melbourne's just on the edge of that band of heavy rain for much of Friday and Saturday. Melbourne could still see over 50 millimetres with flash flooding. So there is a risk there, but it's still a little bit uncertain around Melbourne and Tasmania. It looks like we'll get less rain than what we were expecting yesterday, but still we have that flood watch in place actually for some of the eastern rivers of Tasmania, the South, the North Esk and the Huon. For New South Wales, a flood watch remains in place for the southern and the central western districts. We could even see major flooding around the Murrumbidgee River catchment. And for Victoria, the flood watch has been updated on Friday morning. Some of the western rivers have now been taken out of that flood watch. However, all the other rivers through the northern, the central and the eastern areas still in a warning, and we could even see major flooding in the northeast corner of Victoria. If you require the assistance of the SES, their number's on screen. It's 132 500. And remember, never attempt to travel through floodwaters. It only takes 15 centimetres of water on the ground to lose control of your vehicle.